Let me show you how to turn off Google's Safe Search on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you can see there is a Safe Search on your account, I'll show you how to remove it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up Google Chrome on your iPhone. This works the best in Google Chrome. After we've done that, we're going to check two different places you might have a Safe Search enabled. The first place is we're going to search for Google Family Link, and it's at familylink.google.com. Now, if you have an account that is in a family, maybe you have a child account under a parent Google account, they will control whether you have Safe Search turned on or off. You can see I'm logged into my parents' account, but I can go in and go to any of the kids here, let's say Madison, and I can scroll down and go to Google Search, including Safe Search. Now, if it is turned on to filter here, you can disable it by going to off. But again, keep in mind, you might need access to the parent account to be able to do this. This won't be available on the child's Google account. This is the first place, but let's say that is not a thing for you. You don't have a family account. You just have your own normal account. There are two different ways to be able to access this. One is you can go to google.com/safe search. You can see google.com/safe search. And right here, you can hit, instead of filter, you can turn it to off to show everything. If you don't see that, you can always just tap on your profile at the very top right. Make sure you're logged into an adult account. And if you are logged into an adult account, you can just go into your settings. Where are we going to go? There we go. Go to your settings here. And then from here, you can just scroll down and go to your privacy and security. And within here, you might want to turn on the safe browsing to standard or no protection to be able to access all of those websites that you want to access. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.